Live from the FastenerTV Studio, it's in the news.
I'm Lisa Kleinhandler, Editor-in-Chief at Fastener News Desk. Coming to you from Somewhere Fastenating. In the news this week is the International Fastener Expo. Registration is officially open for the 2021 IFE in Las Vegas. IFE is also seeking nominations for their 2021 Fastener Industry Hall of Fame and Young Fastener Professional of the Year Awards. Deadline for nomination is July 30th. Save $25 off your registration with the FND discount code FAS25FND. Also, for your summer reading, Distributor Link Magazine Summer 2021 issue is available. The cover features Aluminum Fasteners. And attention to all the ThreadHeads and FasteNerds out there. Fully Threaded Radio episode 166, FLOTILLA, I hope I'm saying that correctly, is live with host Eric Dudas and Brian Musker. This week, Wurth Industry North America Additive Manufacturing Division will be stopping in Lafayette, Louisiana on their 3D Demo Days tour. Reed Exhibition has announced their Fastener Fair CONNECT, a brand new digital event merging Fastener Fairs worldwide. The event is scheduled for the 17th and 18th of November 2021. Next month, the fastener industry has some big events. Both the week of August 16th to the 20th is the Midwest Fastener Association's 75th anniversary celebration and their FSTNR Fastener Week. Register today at MWFA.net. Also, the Fastener Training Institute's Fastener Training Week Chicago, the accelerated training program for certified fastener specialists designation. Register by July 26th. Whoops, that's today. And get $500 early bird discount. Learn more at FastenerTraining.org. This week's episode of In the News has been sponsored by Product Genius Technology. Product Genius Technology makes buying products easier. Check out the Fastener Industry Digital Landscape 2021 report at productgeniustechnology.com. Signing off for now. See you all next time. Thank you.